So this is the Samsung Galaxy A02. What we're going to try and do now is configure the setting. First thing we're going to do, language. Here you choose your language. Now you press start. A few legal items to view. I would just recommend you to press I have read and agreed to all of the above. It's either you agree or you're not going to be given access to the cell phone. Next. Now you have options for Wi-Fi. You choose your Wi-Fi if you have one. If you don't have one, you can just go insert your SIM and use the internet in your SIM card. So you write your password and connect. Wi-Fi connected. Next. Checking for updates. This may take a few minutes. So you can copy apps and data. You can choose to transfer. You can choose to transfer your apps, photos, contacts, Google account, and more. Next. Use your old device. If you have an old device, you can just transfer your apps or your photos directly to this new device. But in my case, I don't have my old device. So now I have to sign in with my Google account. If I don't have my Gmail account, I'm gonna skip this step for now. Without a Google account, you won't be able to download apps, backup, activate device protection features. Google services. PIN. We're gonna set up the PIN. Okay. This is for the Samsung account to update your Samsung apps or services. If you have it, use it. If you don't use it. And finished.